What's going on, guys? So today we are going to install the fans for the oil coolers. I want to install these just because once I get that thermostat, when the FD is idling for a while, sometimes the oil temperature will climb a little further than I like. So I'm going to install these for now on a toggle switch, and I'm going to mess around, basically see if we need them and how they work. So I'm just gonna wire them to a toggle switch. We'll go out, drive this thing today. Obviously I need to get some more braking miles, and everything is running good right now, so I need to put the strip bar on as well. But we're gonna put these on, wire them to a toggle, turn them on, and see how much air they move and how fast they cool these things down, if they cool them down at all. And we also are gonna build, this is nothing car related, but we are gonna build a battery box. Oh, of course, it's raining. Absolutely downpouring. Sweet, never fails whenever I come out to work in the car. But I'm gonna build a battery box for my drift cart because every time I drift this thing, this battery ends up sliding whichever way and rips the connector out. Look at that. The battery ends up sliding and just rips this connector out, so we're gonna build a little battery box right here. That way we can place it in there and it'll hold it. So I guess we're gonna do the battery box now, because as you can see, it decided to start downpouring literally as soon as I came outside. It's perfectly fine before, but yeah, I guess we're gonna go work on this and build a battery box first. Drive this thing over to the shop. Yeah, it's literally downpouring. Alright guys, I kind of quit filming because it got annoying bringing the tripod back and forth to the garage and to the welder. But here it is. I drilled a bunch of speed holes in there. That way this battery can get some airflow. I don't know if it needs airflow. I don't think so, because it goes inside of a hoverboard normally, but hey, won't hurt. So all you do is slide it over like that. Mounts up right there. It's just gonna be held on by one screw. And then, as you can see, it holds it there. I grinded this side down so that the wiring wouldn't chafe or anything like that. Yeah, so pretty cool that's what it looks like. It'll be pushed down like that, but yeah. So pretty neat, nice little piece. I'm thinking about going ahead and powder coating it. It's a nice candy apple red. Why not? We already have it off. It won't take too long. Just gotta go preheat the oven. I don't know, either that or painting it black. Nah, I'm gonna powder coat it, screw it. We'll do some red. I like red. I also wanna do this steering wheel red at some point, so it'll fit with this. We'll do some red. Oh baby, there she is. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Really decent. So, I don't know if you could see, let me move this. Looks pretty good. Nice candy apple. Well guys, this is what the finished product came out to be like. You can see little candy apple flakes in it. So, came out pretty good. I like it. I'm not complaining, looks good. And it holds the battery nice and snug, so won't go anywhere. We're about to take it to the skate park, shred, and take it for a couple rips in the driveway just to make sure it doesn't fly around. I already know it won't, but I kind of want to ride it. Alright guys, so it's the next day. We're about to install the oil cooler fans on. They came with these mounts that you have to poke through the fins, which kind of sucks because it will bend the fins, but I'm not about to build a bracket. I mean, honestly I could, but it's a lot of work, and honestly I don't feel like it, so we're just gonna push them through the fins. For now, at least. And then maybe we'll make like a nice fan shroud. But like I said, we're just trying it out. I'm not too worried about it. These oil coolers are only like 120 bucks a piece, so not super crazy expensive or anything like that. So yeah, we're about to just go ahead and poke them through. Alright guys, so they are mounted up. Obviously I didn't fully install them yet. This is how they look on the back of the cooler. So a lot smaller than I thought. Honestly, I definitely could have gone with a bigger fan. Probably a 5-inch fan would have been good. I should have measured it out, but that's what I get for not measuring it out. Either way, hopefully this will help cool it down though. Same with the other side. There. So about to wire these up real quick to a toggle, and we'll see how it works. Alright guys, so fans are all mounted up. I just need to wire them up to the toggle switch. I cannot find my toggle switches, so I have to go pick one up for my buddy, but they're all wired up. All I need to do, obviously, is connect the toggle switch. I just ran the wires up where my harness is, and there it is. So Obviously, like I said, I still need to wire it up, but you could hear them. Come on. So they sound pretty powerful. I'm about to have my wife hold them, or hold that wire so I could feel them and see how much air they're pulling through. Oh yeah. Keep going. Oh yeah, it pulls a lot of air through. Cool, that's good. Yeah, those should cool it off pretty quick. All right, guys, FD is all back together. I have still put tape over the oil coolers, so we'll see how it does. And then for now, I just put the wires right through there. So we'll see. I'm going to the store. Hopefully they'll have a toggle switch. We will see. I doubt it, but if they do, we will wire it up and see how fast. Hopefully these things drop the oil temps quickly, but we'll see. If they don't have a toggle switch or connectors, I'll have to get my buddy's toggle switch that he has later on tonight. So we're about to take it to the store, see how she does. Well, guys, we have been idling for about 5 minutes now after the car is warmed up, and oil temp is at 190 with the fans on. It was around 194 and it came back down. So I would say these little fans are doing a pretty good job. All my temperatures are good. That's off the rear iron, so it's showing it's a lot hotter than it is. It's really only 85 degrees Celsius. Same here, 80, 85. So those are the ones I actually go off of. That's just what the rear iron temp is. But yeah, it's holding it perfectly fine at 190, which is good. I'm gonna leave the hood open. I always leave the hood open when I park it, let everything cool off. That way vacuum lines and stuff don't ache as bad. But I'm gonna wrap this video up. You guys know the deal, like, comment, subscribe. Oil coolers are good. Oil fans are doing their job. They hold it at pretty much whatever temperature. Like I said, it was at 190 to 194, and we were sitting there for probably 5-7 minutes. I pulled over after cruising just to see if the fans were actually working and doing their job, and sure enough, they work. So I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.